This brief lecture should provide an understanding of what it means to conduct research and some tips for approaching research. Research, particularly for the assignment you are writing, is not about finding large chunks of information to speak for you. You're not writing a research report where all you are doing is reporting what others say. Instead, what you are working on is an essay that incorporates research. As such, your essay should be largely your own ideas, and you are conducting research to help you provide evidence to illustrate and support your own thoughts and ideas. Thus, you'll be using bits of information in which to ground your ideas, evidence to back up a claim or examples to illustrate a point, details or statistics to support an idea, quotes from authority figures to substantiate a claim, historical or background information to help you explain your topic, information about opposing points of view to help you explain others' positions. The essay largely will be your own words and ideas, and information from your sources should not speak for you, but should provide evidence to substantiate your points. It helps to narrow your focus and have a sense of the points you may discuss before you begin researching. This will allow you to target specific information and examples rather than just wading into a larger topic to see what you can find. Forming research questions ahead of time can help you focus on finding answers. For example, how does offshore drilling affect the environment? How dangerous is it for those working on oil rigs? How does offshore drilling impact tourism? Will offshore drilling provide energy independence? What impact will this have on the economy? Knowing subtopics and forming such questions beforehand will help you to focus your research and make it more fruitful. Research can also help us explore different ideas, expand our understanding of a topic, learn new points of view, and sometimes even change our minds, all of which are fine and part of the process. Early in the research process, you will want to cast a wide net as you search for sources. The first source you find may not be the best one to use, so you should allow yourself time to review a variety of sources and choose the ones with the best information and examples to support your ideas. When you do find a promising source, it helps to record the author, title of the work, title of the publication, where you found it, and how, so that you will be able to find this source again. Lastly, you will want to make sure the information you find is relevant and comes from credible sources. Does the information address your topic and specific points you wish to make so that it will actually help you discuss your ideas? Is the information up to date? Does it come from a reliable source that reports factual information and is not biased or slanting the information? Does the source provide evidence or just opinions? Make sure these sources will work for you and provide strong support for your ideas. Chapter 23 in Everyone's an Author provides information on evaluating sources. I hope this provides you with some direction for how to begin approaching the research you will need to conduct.